Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Scott Air Force Base, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of long-distance movers offers all the right options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of movers knows how to make sure your relocation is easier. We cannot help you get used to a new neighborhood, but we can help you get there safely and quickly. We need to complete a long-distance move, we're ready to help you. A good Illinois moving company will make your moving day simple. Even though you only have to go one neighborhood over or to the next town over, it's a big job. Moving is always stressful no matter how far you need to go, and with the right help, you can eliminate some of the stress and get there sooner. 3 Movers helps you get settled in faster and easier, and we can have even the packing done for you if you want to save even more time. Our team handles all types of local moves, and when you don't want to do the hard work, let us take care of your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Scott Air Force Base moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.